how to reset and restore default apps for file types in Windows 11. Windows handles tons of files every day, but the wrong default apps can hurt productivity. Think PDFs opening in random browsers. The fix is simple. Reset your default apps in Windows 11. In this video, you'll learn how to do it step by step. Before we begin, be sure to subscribe to NinjaOne's IT Video Hub and our YouTube channel for more tech content like this. Method 1. Reset all default apps via settings. Resetting all default apps in Windows 11 is quick and easy. First, press Win+I to open settings. Go to Apps, Default Apps. Scroll down and click Reset all default apps. Confirm with Yes. All file types go back to Microsoft's defaults like Edge, Photos, and Media Player. Method 2. Restore a specific file type via Registry. A registry file lets you control specific file type associations in Windows 11. First, create the .reg file. Open Notepad and paste the following. Replace .ext with your file extension, like .pdf, and enter the right app ID, for example. Save the file as restore-pdf-default.reg and set the save type to all files. Then, just double-click the file, confirm with Yes, and restart File Explorer or sign out. Method 3. Registry cleanup for a file type. For full control of specific file types, you can edit the Windows 11 registry. Just remember, always back it up first to stay safe. Open the registry editor by pressing Win+R, typing regedit, and hitting enter. Next, go to HKey, Current, User, Software, Microsoft, Windows, Current Version, Explorer, File EXTS, .ext. Replace .ext with the file extension you want, like .mp3 or .docx. Right-click the user choice folder, delete it, and confirm. Finally, restart File Explorer or sign out and back in. Windows will then use its default app for that file type. In Windows 11, misconfigured file types can cause headaches. For example, when a spreadsheet opens in the wrong app. Resetting default apps fixes this, whether it's for one file type or the whole system. You can reset quickly through Settings, or use .reg files and DISM for more precise or bulk changes. For more information, check out our official blog post on how to reset and restore default apps for file types in Windows, linked in the description below. Be sure to subscribe to NinjaOne's IT Video Hub and our YouTube channel for more tech content like this.